This is the AMEIFU humidifier, model JSF1W. Really nice little humidifier. It's very small. It's a little less than a foot tall. I've got it filled up about halfway with water. It has 3 speeds. Just press the power button. Right now it's on the highest speed, but can't really see the moist air coming out of there right now because of the lights, but believe me, it's very strong, and this grow tent gets really humid from this little powerhouse. Very nice unit, very easy to use, and highly recommended.